Alright, please, sir. Who is the owner of all this load?
It's my own.
You?
Yes.
Please come down, sir. Come down. Come down. I hope that the landlords are aware that you people are packed.
So which kind of question is this?
I want to know.
My landlord knows. In fact, we have actually decided to go to the village.
Naka, are you foolish? Are you foolish? I'm asking you. Is this man here for the Christmas? Are you our father? Why are you explaining to him why you left the city? Or what you left the city with? Is that your business? Is that why you are here?
Honey, calm down now. It's nothing.
Please, brother. Please, I'm here. We are here to do our job.
Mandant, don't say what would make us to detain you here. In fact, you have to drop the load to examine and check if the receipt is correct.
Go and examine the load and check it now. Examine it. How am I even sure you are real police officers? Wait, I am coming. I will give you the receipt you are asking for now. What do you mean?
Please don't listen to anything she says. Please.
Hey, brother, you should not. Please, sir. Honestly, if it's not the way you are talking, I would have arrested her. So it's not the police officer.
Take the receipt. Because you see him standing like a human being. You think it's on a human being.
Why are you always putting me into trouble?
What do you mean by that? Are you foolish? Are you foolish?
Honey, what is this?
Sir, please. Please, my brother, I think I can see that you're under a bondage. Please, people should leave. Please. It's okay. From the look of things, please. You can go. Leave.
I am not going. I will not go like that. I must stay behind and watch this car move first. Because I do not like the way you were looking at that stove when I brought it out. Yes, I will not go like that.
Honey, enter the car now.
Enter the car.
What are you doing?
Are you crazy? Do you think I am playing with you?
No, I don't.
Do you think I'm playing with you? Okay, let's go now. Do you think I'm playing with you? Everybody will suffer for you. Everybody will suffer for you.
Come down now.
Does he think I'm playing? Does he think I am playing?
Driver, start this motor and leave.
Did you pass your WAEC? Did you pass your WAEC?
My WAEC? I did.
Don't be angry.
It's okay. You people should go.
Fix the chair. Get down. Are you my father?
Where are you going with that one?
Where are you going with that one? Do you think I'm playing? You want to collect the receipt for this rubber? You think I'm playing?
Sorry.
Let me put it.
Please. Driver, please. Sir, you should go. Officer, allow them to go. Move your car.
There's no problem, it is well. I'll stay in touch.
I will come and check up on you from time to time. Okay.
I'm greeting.
What is it, this woman? What is it?
It's Naka.
Do you not know what it means when somebody's on a phone call? On Ajum? Are you here to ask me questions?
Sorry, why are you attacking me? I heard that my brother Naka is back. So I decided to come and greet him.
I am attacking you. In my own house. Do not allow me to throw something at you this afternoon. Do not allow me to throw you something. What do you mean? Somebody left the city and came to sit in the village. And you came here to greet him. Did he kill a lion? Did he kill a lion? Instead of coming to sympathize with him, you are coming here to greet him. Don't worry. Continue greeting him. All of you. Wadonu! Just don't worry. Continue.
Yeah.
This village is going to be hell for all of you.
Yeah.
Honey, what is it? Mamuche, it's you.
It's you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I heard you are bad, so I said let me come and greet you. Huh? Is this your wife?
Yes. She's my wife. How is your husband?
He's very fine.
Okay. I know you've not seen her before.
Yes. When you married her, I went for Mogo. And since then, I haven't seen her. Nebiko, if I've offended you, sorry. No?
Hey, keep your sorry to yourself. Keep your sorry to yourself. Don't tell me sorry. You're here to greet him. Did he fall down? Does he have an injury? You came to greet him. Somebody fell back to poverty, and you are here to greet him. Every single person who is aware and has said nothing, every single person in this village, everybody, they will suffer for it. Kwadonu! Because you will suffer for it. This is your useless brother. Here, brought me all the way from the city to come and become a village woman. And you are here. Kwado!
Here.
Mamuche, my wife is not in a very good mood. Honey, you're back.
What is going on here?
You're back.
No, I'm not back. I'm still at the market. What is going on here?
You didn't see Azok on the road? She just left. She brought food. Yes.
And you're about to eat the food without waiting for me?
Oh, now. No. I was just I just taking some and kept yours. You know, I wouldn't know when you'll be coming back. By the way, what did you buy? What did you just do? Seafood, and somebody's hungry. Even the meat. See, come and pick this plate. Oh. Come and pick this plate.
Did they beat you very, very well?
Yes.
They flogged you very, very well.
Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body.
They did well. But my only problem now is my gown and my bucket that they have broken. Where did they enter? Mazoka, where did they enter?
They entered this way.
I'm telling you, did you see that long hair that I was with gentlemen? When they entered the water, I wanted to wipe up. So, it was both of you. It was both of you. Okay, my friend. Get out of here. Do not worry. Do not worry. Just know that you are looking for trouble from the wrongest person. You see these clothes? You see these clothes? I'm going to burn them. I am going to burn them to ashes. Yes, I will burn them to ashes. Those boys stepped on the wrong person's toes in this village. They did not know. I am not normal. I am a mad person.
Why would you fight them? Why?
Yeah, if you ask me that kind of question, I will start with you this afternoon. What kind of foolish question is that? Did you not see my gallon? They broke my gallon. And they also broke Azuka's gallon. And you are asking me, what did I get? What did I get? Eh? You should be worried about my safety. It means stop being a weak man and go and fight those men who had the audacity to stand before your wife.
Honey, if you fight masquerade, do you know the kind of fine they will impose on you? Do you know?
So that is what is more important to you. Your worry is the fine that they will impose on you, right? Do not worry. I know them facially, one by one. I will visit them. So do not worry.
Honey, see, last time I checked, anybody that defaulted the masquerade court will be fined many tubers of yam and goats. Where do I get money?
At least I know where your loyalty stands with the villagers. I told you, Banketi, do not worry. Let me go and keep my evidence, and then I go after them one after the other. You did not hear me? Eh?
Eliza, what kind of trouble is this now? Eh? Kamadi no piano piang bram.
Our wife.
Hey, I am very, very sorry. Eh? I am very sorry. You know I am a woman, and we get angry over very little things. Biko, Baram, oh, okay, I see. T-boy, I greet you.
Please, don't mention their names. They are not here for you to recognize them.
I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. I will never ever speak to the masquerade anyhow again. Neither will I even talk to my elders in a very rude manner. Baram, oh. Hey, let me go and bring the goat meat. I am very, very sorry. Where people get meat from?
It is not meat. She said we should have a taste of it. Since we suffer to cook it. It's against the tradition that women should have a taste of it.
It's good, it's good. You push it. Taste
Eliza, take it now. I brought this for us to eat. At least we are the one that cook it. Only show my taste.
Yeah, she tasted it.
I don't want any trouble. Before they will say I violated tradition again. No, I don't want any issues at all.
Auntie, since when have you started respecting the elders?
I'm respecting them. I'm afraid of them, sir. Yeah, I don't want any problems at all. You know, I've already gone to beg them. I begged them. I'm happy. I'm at peace. Them too, they are happy. They are eating.
You changed though.
I'm
okay. This masquerade should always come so that it will tame you.
No, I'm tamed. I'm tamed.
That serves her right. She's a very stupid woman. This will make her to know and understand the kind of village she finds herself in.
Yes.
Yes, so boys, you tried very well. You will really try.
Thank you.
Next time she tries this, we are going to eat 21 goats. 21?
Nine. See, I can't wait for her to cross my path part again. Anytime she crosses my path, I will deal with her. By that time, we go give her another fan. She will bring gold.
What is it? What is wrong? Are you okay? Okay. Obia, are you alright? Obia. Huh? I don't know what's wrong.
Somebody telling me something. Somebody telling me something. Atona mwangu ajamni waswanuka bozona sindo madam okunuka atona mwangu ajamni baswanuka bozona sindo atona mwangu bozona sindo
Who locked this place? Where's the key?
What's wrong with you?
Hey! Who locked this place? The key?
What is wrong with
My stomach, I want it stool.
Stomach is paining you?
Yes.
When did it start? What did you eat?
Only this is not the right time to ask questions. Just the key.
The key to the toilet?
Key.
I left the key at Mazibe's house. Let me get it for you.
I will die before then. Let me find bush.
I don't walk, I don't suffer, I don't run, I don't joke. Just
all
to
of
make you
will
happy.
Suffer. You will all eat meat in this village. Everybody, one by one.
Wanna what I say? I was a guinea come game.
You know where you are?